These are some of the best passive income side hustles that you are going to be able to take advantage of, implement, and use to your advantage and literally take you up, 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 up.
Hello and welcome to another episode of the New Rich Podcast. I am Uyi Abraham. We're so glad that you tune in every week to the New Rich Podcast, the number one and the fastest growing podcast for entrepreneurs and creators, where we teach you how to build 6 and 7 figures online business and create financial freedom and live the life that you deserve. And I have my co-host with me here today,
Dr. Faith Abraham. Welcome back, New Rich Nation.
Awesome.
So always good to have you.
Awesome. How was your week?
My week was fantastic. It's a lot of things new with me. My TEDx just went live.
Awesome.
Yes.
TEDx is live on YouTube, right?
On YouTube, so, correct.
New Rich Nation, the New Rich Nation, go ahead and check it out on YouTube. Just search TEDx, Dr. Faith Abraham, and I think he's going to pull out. So tell us a little bit about what you spoke about.
I spoke about the power of emotional flexibility because a lot of times people do not realize, let's talk specifically in business, right? People don't realize that it's their emotions that dictate the actions they take, they don't take, the opportunities they take advantage of. And so in the video, I'm not going to say too much, but I do talk about the power, how to use it and make it work for you instead of it working against you, because that's the thing a lot of people complain about. It works against them. They don't know how to harness the emotion for the results they want.
I understand. That's deep. And you're helping the people, huh?
Oh, I'm helping the people because, you know, it's not something that, it's not curriculum. It's not something that's taught in schools. It's literally human behavior, but we don't find out about it until later, which is why so many people complain about entrepreneurship. They're like, oh, it's so hard. I'm not good at it. I'm not this, I don't have money. Those aren't your problems. Your number one problem is you have gone unhoned, uncrafted, and you haven't mastered the emotional aspect of life. Therefore, entrepreneurship. Studies show, it was literally in Forbes, I believe in 2021, where they documented that people who have a high EQ, emotional intelligence, are more likely to succeed and be successes than even people who have a high intellectual IQ.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, but
that's deep, though,
isn't it? Because it's not about the IQ; it's the EQ. So being able to regulate emotions is really necessary. It's the most underrated. Well, you don't do this though. In a lot of your courses, I would say all of them, you always make sure to have like a mindset section.
Always.
Yeah.
And I teach my students to always have.
Yes. Always. And even in like when we do masterminds, when we do conferences in business, a lot of times people are like, give me strategy, give me strategy, give me strategy. Cool. We got strategy. We got strategy all day. We got millions and billions of dollars worth of strategy just within us. But you never let that push you out of the fact that people have to know and get that mindset aspect. It's so crucial.
Wow.
So crucial. So with all that, how was your week?
My week was good, as busy as usual, working on things, trying to get as much things done as possible. Always a challenge.
Humanly possible.
Yeah. So I just try to do as much as I can every day and then just keep pushing every day. But it's really exciting.
Are you an entrepreneur, coach, or creator ready to make 7 figures in your online business?
If that is you, then you need to register and come to the New Rich Mastermind. It's a first of its kind exclusive mastermind for very few entrepreneurs who want to scale and level up their online business this year. In this mastermind, we're going to help you with everything you need to scale and position yourself and your online business for 7 figures. We're going to help you and teach you, Dr. Faith and I, with other great speakers, on developing a millionaire mindset, your business funding, your digital marketing, hiring the right team, and everything everything else you need to scale your online business this year. And it just goes beyond the teachings alone, right? There's going to be a lot of fun activities, and also too, you're going to have opportunity to meet with other aspiring 7-figure entrepreneurs, build that relationship, and just by being in the right room.
That's right. So get your ticket now. Use the link below and register today.
And also too, the date is May 19 and 20 right here in the beautiful city of Atlanta. You can get your ticket to this page. It's extremely limited. Go right now to thenewrich.me, thenewrich.me, and we're going to see you in the room, because it's time for you to level up and scale your online business to 7 figures.
It's waiting for you.
We'll see you in the room. But now we have some really important topic for today, and then Dr. Faye is going to be starting us up. We're going to be talking about 5 truly passive income ideas, right? That you can start today to help you to change your life and your destiny and your income this year.
These are some of the best passive income side hustles that you are going to be able to take advantage of, implement, and use to your advantage, and literally take you up. Let me just say this, because I'm going to give you the first one. In the comments, let us know what side hustle you've already started, if any, and the ones that we list, let us know which ones you're going to start implementing today.
Awesome. And before you even go into giving the 5 also, let me, let everybody know that this video is brought to you by Vonza.com, the only one platform for creators and entrepreneurs to run their business online. Vonza helps you to simplify your online business by giving you the tools you need to start, grow, and scale your online business. It doesn't matter if you try and build a website, online courses, email, digital products, sales funnels, and beyond. Vonza gives you 12 plus tools in one place, saves you time and money, so that you can focus on what you love, which is your business, and not deal with tech hassle. So if you don't like headaches and you don't like drama when it comes to tech, and you want something simple, easy to use, then Vonza will be that platform for you. So check it out. You can start a free forever account, no credit card required, at Vonza.com.
Whew. And with that being said, Vonza is awesome for our number one side hustle for today, which is coaching.
All right, tell us.
Yes, because as a coach, I would break it down, but as a coach, you're able to teach people what you know. So often we walk around as a plethora of knowledge, insight, information, expertise that we know, but another person doesn't. So as a coach, it gives you the opportunity to put it together in a digestible way so that other people can now benefit from the knowledge, the expertise, the insight, and understanding that you have. The reason why it's a great side hustle is because you can choose your own hours, you can choose your own time. If you package your coaching in a certain way, you can do it to where it's not going to flow into the entirety of your life, but it can yield great income for you easily. If you have a coaching package, for example, group coaching, and you offer it at $3,000 because you're teaching something worthwhile of value, you can easily do that on the weekend. You have 10 people enroll. That's $30,000 right there for that coaching package. And let's say you turn it into a course. Now that's a digital product that people can purchase at any given time. You sell that for $3,000, 10 people buy it. That's $30K a month, $30K times 12. You're already well above $250,000 in a year.
That is so amazing.
Hello.
Coaching is a really good side hustle.
It is.
And also too, even if you have a 9 to 5, that's one
Yes.
good thing about side hustles is that you don't have to do it full time.
That's right.
Even if you have a 9 to 5, you can still do your side hustle business from 6 to 12, and also to using the weekends, right? So that will lead us to the second side also that you can start to help you to start and grow a profitable business, right? The second will be cleaning company, right? Some of you like to clean. You like things to be put together nicely,
Organized.
right? Organized, right?
Decent
You can
and order.
you can use that gift you have to start a side also cleaning business. I have a couple of friends and clients who have made millions of dollars, who are doing easy 6 figures a year, 6-figure months, starting a cleaning business, right? I mean, when you first start, usually you might be the one doing the cleaning and stuff, but when you start getting those contracts, when you start getting those experience doing it, now you hire the cleaners. So now you just run the business, getting the contracts, doing the marketing, and then your staff, your team are the ones who go ahead and do the work, right? One of my friends who own a cleaning business told me that, he charges some offices $10,000 a month just to clean some offices, $10,000 a month, and he doesn't even have to clean them, right? So imagine you get 10 clients, 10 offices, 10 office buildings, doctor offices, dentist offices. They pay thousands of dollars a month to get somebody to clean, right? You can easily make $100,000 a month if you get 10 office buildings at $10,000 each, right? So office building, cleaning business, it doesn't matter if it's even residential, right? Cleaning business is one side hustle that could help replace your real hustle, right? So if you want to replace your real hustle, get a side hustle and build that income so you can replace your real hustle. Cleaning business is one of those businesses a lot of people are sleeping on.
They are.
A lot of people don't know about.
Yeah.
They think it's just something it doesn't look sexy, but it could make you a lot of money.
Some of the non-sexiest businesses make a lot of money.
Yes, they do.
The third side hustle that you can start is photography. My goodness, with all the content creators and of course, dance companies, you have gyms, you have schools that are having picture day and the like. Having a photography company is a phenomenal side hustle that you can have. Of course, having those contracts is really going to secure your income and really help you out. Recently, our kid plays volleyball.
Yeah.
They had a picture day, and there are tons of girls and guys too who play volleyball who, it was the coolest thing I've seen. And I was like, man, this guy's raking in the dough. He just had envelopes, had it printed out, had packages created already. They came in, they took their team photo, they took their individual photo. The parents grabbed the envelope, selected, put how much they wanted to pay. They ran the payment right there on the spot. I was like, dude just walked out of here cool, clean on a 6-figure from volleyball pictures.
Wow.
I was like, this is amazing. And also too, at all the different sports events, they need those athletes want those pictures of themselves in action. So photography business, even at weddings, I have all these ideas now as I'm talking about it. But the point is, get good equipment, take those shots, and be able to capture the moment, hand it over. You can literally schedule yourself for weekends only and still have your 9 to 5, but produce quality photos. Here's a free gem for you. You can also incorporate AI to put the polishing and the finishing touches on some of those shots that you take too.
Awesome. That's so amazing. And that leads us to the next one side hustle, which is videography. So videography is similar to photography, except you're not taking photos, you're doing videos, right? And I like videography, and I have a lot of experience with it too.
Yes.
One of our businesses have been photography and videography. We've done everything. For videography, you can do content for creators, content for entrepreneurs, content for small businesses. You can do, weddings. You can do event videography. There's so much you can do when it comes to videography, right? And so all you need to do is to get you a good camera, learn how to do video, learn how to edit video, right? And bam, you are in business for yourself. Boom. In fact, when I used to have a job, I started doing videography as a side also. Yes. Because I used to work a job at the school district, and then in the evening and weekends, I'll do weddings and parties and stuff like that. And so I was able to create really good income with videography, right? So this year, don't look at yourself and feel like you don't know what kind of side hustle business to start, right? There are so many side hustle businesses you can start that can put in that part of 6 and 7 figures. So we just give you about the 5 that we know for a fact, we've used, we've tested, have worked for us, have helped us to generate millions of dollars online. We're sharing with you so that you too can build that financial success that you desire.
Absolutely. And the last one that we're going to give you today is freelancer. Here's the thing. Being a freelancer allows you to use your skill and your expertise to serve a multitude of clientele. You can use sites like Upwork, Fiverr.com to list your expertise and your skill, whether it's resume writing, you can be an editor, you can create graphics. There's a multitude of skills that they offer on those sites, and you can accept the clientele based on your schedule. One of the things that I tell a lot of my clients is when you're doing freelance, have a package where you have like individual work that they want to be done. But if they want to book you in advance for other things that they may have coming up or they may need designed, then create a bundle, which will make you more money upfront, but also gain the like, trust, and know factor from that clientele. And they may end up being a forever clientele for you. And those type of websites, people are constantly going on there looking for someone who has the skill. If you have it, you may as well use it and let that side hustle outwork and outproduce your main hustle.
Vonza.com, Beauty and Faith. I want to say congratulations on just working hard, being entrepreneurs. You guys have a great website, and I want you guys to keep working hard. I've been to your website, Vonza.com, and guess what? I'm going again. Keep up the great work.
Awesome. All right. So these are 5 side hustles that can help you to generate income online. It doesn't matter if it's $1,000 a month or $10,000 a month or $100,000 a month. You can literally make money this weekend, today, tomorrow, whenever you start your side hustle business. So let us know in the comment which of these 5 hustles that you like and you want to be a part of. And also don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'm going to see you in the next episode of the New Rich Podcast.
See you in the next video, New Rich Nation.